This is the Module 7 skills test about the solar nebular theory, or the solar nebula hypothesis, essentially the formation of the solar system, and then the planetary characteristics. So the first thing you're going to see is a little animated image. Of course, I've just got a still frame where we have a graph that has all of our planets located on this graph. And notice that on the y-axis is the temperature in Kelvin, and then on the x-axis is the distance from the sun. And then over here what you should see are various values of temperature at which various substances become either gas or solid. And that's very important in the building of planets. So that's going to help you answer the first 4 questions. By the time you get down to question 5, you're going to see again a series of screens, and these indicate the different planets. Again, they're listed down below. And in this case, this is one about orbital period. Here's one about the masses of the various planets. Here's the number of satellites, the density, the radius, the semi-major axis, or the distance of each of these planets from the sun. And then you're presented with a Venn diagram, which has various locations, A, B, C, D, and you choose which is the appropriate location for each of these descriptors. And then finally, the last question, question 6, has to do with whether or not these various descriptions are consistent with the solar nebular theory, or if they are not consistent with the solar nebular theory.